Om Namo Narayanaya. Welcome, sweet practitioner. This is Mahalakshmi Brianna with One Ounce Practice. Thank you for joining me for this Kriya Yoga Workshop today, where we'll get the mind not just focused, but laser focused. Kriya Yoga encapsulates the cleansing exercises of the yogis for purification of the physical body. And as the body and the mind are really one complex, one entity, it purifies and cleanses the mind to allow it to come back to its natural state of single-pointedness. So today we'll center and balance the body and the mind by harmonizing the systems, the thoughts, the emotions. We will also stretch, strengthen, and relax a particular set of muscles which are often overseen, but without which nothing can be seen. All that will prepare us for purifying our mind, clearing our mind, and allowing us to boost its concentration. Before we dive in, let's tune into the teachers with the opening mantras for our brilliance of learning, for the smooth transmission of the knowledge, for protection of the student and the teacher. So let's sit with the spine up straight, shoulders relaxed, chin parallel to the ground. Hands can be in chin mudra, index and thumb touching together at the tip, and have them relaxed wherever they would naturally fall on the thighs. If you prefer, you can have the palms open, right palm on top of the left one and in your lap. If you feel comfortable, you can join me for the 3 Oms and for the opening mantras, or you can follow the words on the screen, or you can close your eyes. Do whatever you feel like. This is your practice. Embrace it. So let's inhale together for 3 Oms. Om. Om. Sahana bhavatu, sahano bhunaktu, sahaviryam karavavahai, tejasvina vadhitamastu, ma vedvisha vahai. Om shanti shanti shanti. Om peace peace peace. Om Bolo Sadguru Shivananda Maharaj Ki Jai. Om Bolo Shri Swami Vishnudevananda Maharaj Ki Jai. Om Namo Narayanaya. We'll start with the first exercise, which is to calm and center the body and the mind. We'll breathe evenly or rhythmically. We'll inhale for the count of 4 and exhale for the count of 4. We'll take 8 breaths like that, which will calm and equalize the energy channels, allowing the thoughts, the emotions, and the body systems to settle and come closer to your natural state of homeostasis. Let's make sure that the spine is still straight up and alert. Hands can remain in chin mudra or in your lap. We'll inhale and exhale through the nose only, so for the rest of the practice, the lips will be sealed. We'll start with 2 deep breaths, followed by the even breathing. You can close your eyes if you feel comfortable. Inhale deeply through the nose, abdomen, ribcage, and chest expand. And exhale completely through the nose, abdomen, ribcage, and chest relax. One more time, inhale deeply. And exhale completely. Inhale for 4, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4. And exhale, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4. Inhale, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4. Exhale, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4. Inhale, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4. Exhale, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4. Inhale, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4. And exhale, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4. Inhale, 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4. Exhale, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4. Inhale, 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4. Exhale, 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4. 2 more times. Inhale, Om 1, Om 2, 3, Om 4. Exhale, 1, on 2, on 3, on 4. Last time. Inhale on 1, on 2, on 3, on 4. Exhale on 1, on 2, on 3, on 4. Beautiful job, my friend. Return to normal breathing. Inhaling and exhaling. Inhale and exhale. Beautiful job. We'll continue with the second exercise to stretch and strengthen. Which muscles, you may wonder? You guessed it, the eye muscles. They are serving us daily, so we'll take a few minutes to flex, invigorate, and relax the eye muscles, which are serving us from the moment we open our eyes till the moment we fall asleep. For these exercises, we'll move only the eyes. The head and the neck will stay steady. Breathe normally through the nose as you feel comfortable. We'll start with looking at the topmost point where you can see without moving your head, and then we'll look down to the lowest point where you can see without moving the head. Breathe normally. Center your gaze and look up to the topmost point. Slowly come to look down to the bottommost point. And now look up and down. Look up and down. Look up and look down. 2 more times. Look up and look down. Last time. Look up and look down. Center the gaze, close the eyes, and relax for a breath. Inhale and exhale. Open your eyes, and now we'll look from left to right. Leftmost point to the rightmost point without moving the head. Let's center the gaze and look to the furthest left point where we can see without moving the head. Slowly move your gaze to center and then to the rightmost point. Look to center and to the left. Slowly to center and right. Slowly to center and left. Slowly center and right. Slowly look to center and to the left. Slowly to center and to the right. Slowly look to the center and to the left. Slowly look to the center and to the right. Last time, look to center and right. Look to center, close the eyes, breathe normally. Inhale and exhale. Open the eyes. Now we'll look diagonally. We'll start with the top right corner and then we'll look to the bottom left corner. Let's center the gaze. Look top right, slowly to center and bottom left. Slowly top right, slowly bottom left. Slowly top right, slowly bottom left. Slowly top right, slowly bottom left. Slowly upright, slowly down left. One more time, slowly upright and slowly down left. Center the gaze, close the eyes, inhale and exhale. Open your eyes. Now we'll do the other diagonal. Top left, bottom right. Center the gaze and look top left, slowly bottom right. Slowly 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 top left, slowly bottom right. Last time, slowly top left, slowly bottom right. Center the gaze, close the eyes, inhale exhale. Open the eyes. Now imagine that you have a huge clock in front of you where the topmost point is 12 o'clock, the rightmost point is 3 o'clock, bottommost 6, and leftmost point is 9 o'clock. So we'll start moving the eyes in a round motion following the numbers of the clock. Center the gaze and look to number 12. Move to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now reverse. From 12, look to the 11, to 10, to 9, to 8, to 7, to 6, to 5, to 4, to 3, to 2, to 1, and back to 12. Center the gaze and close the eyes. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Beautiful job, my friend. Well done. Now we'll rub the palms, creating some heat, and we'll place them on our face without applying any pressure on the eyes. It will really allow the eye muscles to relax. So rub as much as you can. Faster. Feel the palms warming up. And place them on your face. Relax. Feel the heat, the warmth of your palms. And allow the eyes to relax in that warmth. Wonderful. We'll now start our third and final exercise to boost and brighten our concentration. It is the Kriya yogic exercise called Tratakam, which literally means gazing. And today we'll gaze at a candle or an oil lamp without winking, without blinking. And we will allow the light of the flame to purify our mind and boost our concentration. If you have a candle or an oil lamp, you can pause the workshop right now and go and get it. If you don't have it, don't worry, I'll share mine with you and we'll gaze at it together. If you have one, make sure that you place it about the level of the eyes, and it's about 3 to 4 feet away from you. So it's not too close, but not too far either. So we'll do 3 rounds. We'll gaze without blinking at the flame for 10 to 20 seconds at a time. And after each time, we'll close the eyes and visualize the flame in between our eyebrows, in the third eye point. Throughout, we'll continue to breathe normally through the nose as we would naturally do that. So let's start with the first round. The spine is still alert, chin parallel to the ground. Relax the shoulders, relax the eyes. Take a deeper breath in and completely exhale out. Look down and slowly raise your gaze to the flame without blinking, with relaxed eyes, and notice the qualities of the flame. 10 seconds and close your eyes. Visualize the flame between your eyebrows. 10 seconds, you can open your eyes. Beautiful, beautiful job. Let's move to the second round, where we'll keep our gaze steady for 15 seconds. If 15 seconds is too much, you can always repeat the first round of 10 seconds. Relax, inhale deeply, and exhale completely. Look down And slowly raise your gaze to look at the flame for about 15 seconds. Relax your gaze. Allow yourself to merge with the flame. 15 seconds, close the eyes and visualize the flame in the center of your forehead between the eyebrows. "15 seconds, slowly open your eyes." Last round, we'll try to retain our gaze steady for about 20 seconds. If you know that this is too long for you, you can repeat either of the previous rounds. So let's inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Look downwards and slowly raising your gaze, look at the flame for about 20 seconds. You can mentally repeat the mantra Om as you keep your gaze steady. "20 seconds. Slowly close your eyes and visualize the flame between your eyebrows. You can continue to repeat the mantra Om. "20 seconds. Gently open your eyes as you feel comfortable. Wonderful job, my friend. I hope you feel amazing like I do. With time and practice, you can prolong the time for which you are gazing at the candlelight. Just make sure that you're doing it with ease and grace and you're not straining your eye muscles. Let me know how was this practice for you in the comments below. Like, subscribe, share with anyone who may benefit, and I'll see you next time. Om Namo Narayanaya.